Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you all? I hope that all of you will be in good health. Take out your SST textbook. Okay, take out page number 20. Today we will study another topic, large scale map and small scale maps. Large scale map. A map which shows a small area is called large scale map. The map which shows a small area is called large scale map because the area of land being shown on the map has been scaled down less. It means the area which has been shown into the large scale map is scaled down very less. A large scale map shows a small area, but it shows it in the great detail. Like large scale map shows a small area, but it shows that area in very great detail. Like it gives full detail about that small area. The smaller the number on the bottom of the map scale, the more detailed the map will be. It means that the smaller the map scale, the more detail will be on the map. Street maps are example of large scale map. The objects appear larger on the map. For example, like the map showing the street of any area, so it will be called as large scale map because it is giving us the information about a small area, means about only street, but it gives full account or full detail about that street, that which type of things are present in, or which type of places, houses and buildings are present in that street. Next is small scale map. A map showing a large area is called small scale map. Now it is the opposite of large scale map, that a map which is showing a larger area, then it is called as small scale map. In order to show the whole country, the map is scaled down until it is many times smaller. So now small scale map will be about whole country. A small scale map shows more area, but there is very little detail. Like large scale map can give us information about the small area but in great detail, and small scale map shows us more area but very little detail. A globe is an example of small scale map. Large scale or small scale may seem confusing. Just remember that fraction is larger on a large scale map and it is smaller on the small scale map. 1 by 20,000 on a map is larger than 1 by 200,000 on a map. So 1 by 20,000 is larger scale map. An example, take the case of pear, which is a fruit. 1 by 2, it means that half of the pear is larger piece of pear when compared to 4 parts of pear. Okay. Okay, now look at these two pictures. Large scale map of London. As you can see, this map is showing us a small area of London, but this is small scale map of city of London. Like this picture is giving us full information about the London city, about one main city of London, that which type of buildings, which type of houses, restaurants, hospitals, etc. are present in this city of London. So it means that small scale map is giving us a detailed account of, or it is giving us information about a larger area, about the whole city. But large scale map of London, it is showing us only a small section of London. So I think it's clear to you, and this is enough for today. Thank you so much my dear students. Allah Hafiz.